Hello friends, how are you? This is Junaid Khan, and in today's video I will be talking about IRA. As you all know, TCS is going to take IRA on 8th of March 2021, and many of you don't know how to prepare for IRA and what to do and what not to do. And it is as simple because we are fresher and we don't know what is IRA. Okay, so what is the IRA is? It is initial readiness assessment. Okay, the IRA is initial readiness assessment, which TCS take because they want to see whether you are prepared for the TCS coding purpose, or whether they are going to give you any work, you will be able to do that or not. So this is just for checking you, and they are also giving you incentives in IRA also, like in CPA or IPA they are going to give you incentive. Similarly in IRA they are also going to incentive. So how should you prepare for IRA? You don't know, I don't know. Okay, so what to do? So I was going through the website and I found this website very useful, because at that time when I was preparing for my CPA, at that moment of time I find it useful and I have prepared from this. Okay, as you all know, I have made a video how I cleared my CPA. Okay, and after clearing my CPA I got 40k as an incentive, because I have cleared my paper of CPA above 80 plus marks. So according to TCS norms I should get 60k, but I have cleared CPA after April 2020. So after clearing April 2020 you can get only 40k. 20k will be deducted, so it is TCS norm. I don't know why is that. So let it be. Now I'm getting at least 40k, right? So what's the problem? So you also can get from IRA 20k, 40k or 60k, whichever they are going to give you. But it's not bad, like you are getting at least 1 or 2 months salary, right? It's almost 1 or 2 months salary. So how should you prepare? Now I have go through this website. Now for the Python person who is going to do Python questions or choose Python programming language, they don't know what to write, what type of question they are going to ask. So for that you can go to the exploreidea.net website. I will provide the link in the description box, or if you want to connect, you can join my Telegram channel, and you can contact on my Telegram ID. I will share those details in the description box also. So let's get started and see what type of question they generally ask. So first question is for IRA and Python, like 27th November they have taken last IRA on 27th November, okay, 2020. Here you will find the question, what type of question they asked. Okay, so here is many of us, the importance of blood availability. It's similarly like CPA. I have made a video on CPA, how to prepare, how to write the code in Python in CPA. I have already made a video on that topic too, so you can refer that, how to solve the questions. I will again make a video on 25. I left a question of 25th Feb second shift question, so I will make a video of that on that question too, so you can refer that too. Now this is the class and object question. They generally ask only class and object question in IRA or IPA or CPA, whatever the program they are going to take. Okay, whatever the topic they are going to choose, that must be in the form of class and object. They are going to ask you in the form of class and object only, so you just need to prepare with that only. So case 1 for the given blood, and then they written the case, what will be the cases. Okay, so you just follow these cases, and one by one just see instruction to write main function. You have to write your own main function. Okay, so you just have to write your own main function and it will be good to go. Okay, so this is the question, and see, this website also provided you the input, what input they have asked and what output they have. I don't know from where they get this question. Okay, I generally don't know, but if I'm getting, or if you are getting these questions for free, what do you need more? Okay, so just prepare with these in Python section. Okay, so see, here is also class and object question. If you want, I can I can show you how this question work, or how this program work. I will take this website as a reference. Okay, so I will show you. So this is the first question. I know this is a bit longer, much larger question, so you must be thinking how we'll write. So it's simple, you just have to follow one by one class or cases and you will be good to go, and you will write all the sections or all the things in the program. So this is the IRA 27th November question, and then before that they have taken 13th on 13th and 23rd October. There are 5 questions in Python section. And if we talk about Java, so he has add extraidea.net website, or whoever he or she have added Java's question, 10 Java question, which was in IRA 7th Jan, because TCS take Java questions separately and Python questions separately in IRA. Okay, so for IRA or for OPM, Python, they were doing like first week is Java, and after that second week is Python, and then third week is Java question, and then fourth week is Python question. So they are generally following this trend. Okay, so see, IRA 7th Jan question, 27th November question, 30th November question, and IRA 3rd November question. And so there are many more 10, like there are 10 questions, right? So you will find a pattern. What's the pattern in these questions? So you just need to prepare according to these pattern, and you will be good to go, and you can get easily incentive. Are you getting my point? Taking incentive is so easy in TCS. What are they going to ask? The question is similar to the previous one. They generally are going to ask you the class and object question only. They are no much bigger thing. You just easily can get the incentive. What do you need? And those incentive will be credited into your account after you join the TCS. So now you are thinking that this is the Python part, okay, Java part, this is the coding program and all the things. Let me show you the Java question, how they are going to ask, or what type of question they are generally going to ask. So see, as you all know, Java is also a class. We write the question in programming Java only in class and object form. So Java person will not have any much difficulty in writing the code. There might be the case that Python person will be hesitate in writing the class and object code. So after practicing 5 to 10 question, just practice 5 IRA question and 5 CPA or IPA question. After practicing 10 question, you will be good to go to write the 11th question. Okay, so 11th question is like I have that program or that test will be tomorrow. So write at least 2 to 3 parts. If you write 2 to 3 parts, after that you will be having CP on I think 11th of March. So they are also going to incentive in CPA also. This is not hard and fast rule that you have to clear IRA or CPA. It's just for incentive purpose, and how much you rate yourself in that programming language they will get to know, and according to that they will give you project. Getting my point? This is also good for project if you are if you need project or if you need any sector. So this is also good to go. So after that, this is the part of the programming part. And if you want to do like MCQ purpose, so you just go to the MCQ section, explore MCQ section. You will find a lot of MCQ, and they generally ask similarly frequently ask CPA or MC IPA or IRA question. He has or she has added in this website. Okay, I don't know the person who is. So it's good website. Okay, just refer this, and I hope this video will help you and may help you, like you can get your incentive. Please let me know if you get incentive by watching my video or by watching my like what I refer and which website you refer. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you need anything, please connect me on my Telegram channel. I will be provide you my link in the description box and this website link too. So please let me know if you need anything else in my Telegram channel, or connect me personally on Telegram, my Telegram ID. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it, share it with your friends, and spread it. And please subscribe my channel, because after you subscribe, like I have already got like 500 subscribers in last 2 months, and thank you guys for motivating me, for supporting me, because without your support I will not be making like these videos, and I will not get encouraged for making these videos. Thank you guys for watching this video and encouraging me. Thank you guys for watching.